everybody, and like and subscribe because I made a Lego airplane. And this is like the 4th video. I keep on deleting it somehow when I try to push edit. Yeah. I'm stupid. Okay, so it's a 2-engine deluxe for 2 people, and they're not dating. They're just having a plane fly. And it's a pretty nice plane compared to this car. Yeah. So that plane. And then I also have this plane. Stick them up. I won't show you. I probably showed you, but I won't show you completely. Oh no, it fell! Whatever. It's like make proof of everything. Because it's a war fire. Just kidding. It's not war fire, but it's kind of one. Okay. It was sideways. Maybe. I'm crazy. Okay, so this is a flying mega. It is a World War II bomber. Just kidding, it's not a bomber. It's a machine gun guy. World War II. It's a Mustang. See, it's called a Mustang. And also, it's from North America, so everybody loves North America. So here's a star. It's its symbol. There's more stars, and it's pretty luxurious. Now here's that plane I homemade. This isn't homemade. It's like a model Lego. It's a different brand. Then here's it compared. So this one's flying, so I'm not gonna do that. I'll show you. Oh, it's not flying. There. Wait a minute. 1 second, human beings, human beings. 1 second, human beings, human beings. 1 second, human beings. 1 second, human beings, human beings. So you can see the 2 different planes. Remember, they had bigger airplanes back then. They're the same minifigure sized. Especially this one. This is like perfect. This is supposed to be that small, so a Lego man can fit in there. Somehow. Okay, so everybody, that was the 2-minute video for today, 3-minute, I mean. And subscribe, like, do whatever. Especially if you don't like it. If you don't like it because you like it. I know you like it. So that was my elbow, knee bone, tailbone. And goodbye for everybody in this world. And if you don't say goodbye, you're crazy.